that you're super fun, super funny.
I love that you have an enthusiasm for life that's infectious to everyone around you.
I like that I can come to visit you knowing that it's going to be an adventure.
What's your favorite thing about the bride?
Your eyes.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your favorite, most exciting thing about what's happening today? Most excited to do?
See you happy.
We know it's cake.
No, I don't even care about the cake. I don't care about the cake anymore.
I love the fact that you keep in touch with me even though I don't answer the phone. And I love that every time we come back together, it's like a moment has not even passed.
Said you have to have a happy new scent on the day of your wedding so you have a happy memory. So he got me my Tiffany's perfume because I really, really like Audrey Hepburn and I cried when he gave it to me. So here's my happy scent.
And I'm going to cry because I love you.